how to unzip multiple zip files at once. So guys, if you have multiple zip files and you have files inside of a big archive, you have multiple and you wish to unzip them, it's pretty simple. So we have two types of multiple archives. So as you can see in my case, I have one main archive, which is this one named 1, and then I have the parts. So these are the parts. If you try and extract these, you won't be able to do it. Let me show you. So if I go extract here, as you can see, it will give me an error. As you can see, no archives found. So if you have this type of zip archive, you will need to extract the first one, not these parts. All right, so you go to the first one, right click, WinRAR, and then extract here. And now as you can see, everything's perfect. Here's my video file that is successfully extracted. If you have multiple zip files, so for example, if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. zip, you just choose all of them, right click, and then go WinRAR and then extract files here. So these are the two ways, guys. Enjoy, this is it, pretty simple to do. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe.